I have spinal stenosis in my lower back, which I had operated on many years ago, and it worked beautifully for some time. And then it stopped working, and so I'm in pain a lot of the time. I also have very bad arthritis in my hands and in a couple of other spots, which is painful. And so I'm between those two things and just some other things that are painful for me. I realized that I needed help, and I honestly didn't want to take opioids, which I had done in the past and didn't like it at all. And so medical marijuana, especially coming from someone who has so much experience with stem cell, just so many other things, I felt that the medical marijuana came well recommended. I'd like you first to know that it doesn't necessarily make you eat nonstop, which is something that I was worried about because I didn't want to gain weight. So I didn't want, marijuana used to be known as the drug that made you want to eat all the time, but that's not true. So I felt comfortable being in a place where I could use it, particularly at night, because another reason that I needed it was I have a real hard time getting to sleep and staying asleep. And medical marijuana is known as something that can help you sleep, and that was major for me. But one of the experiences that I had that was most wonderful and brand new and amazing to me was that one of the first times that I used it, and then thereafter, I inhaled the marijuana, and suddenly I was completely out of pain. I had no pain anywhere in my body. And I thought, this is amazing. This is not to be believed, but it was true. And then I had other experiences where I just felt lighter and lighter and lighter because I'd gotten quite depressed from the pain that I was in, the difficulties that I was having. And the depression went away from the marijuana, and I just felt better and better and better. And then I had what I consider to be the most extraordinary experience that I had. And it repeats itself, which is that while still on the marijuana that I had taken at this particular point, I realized that I still had pain. The pain hadn't just disintegrated. I still had pain. I still was aware of pain, but I wasn't feeling it. It was at a distance. I was aware that there was pain, but I wasn't feeling it. It was at a distance. I couldn't even reach it. And to this day, I don't understand what that meant. But I do know that it was phenomenal, because it's not like the pain just goes away and you never have pain again. The pain was there, but it was a subterfuge of pain. It was at a great distance from me, and I was protected by it. I was protected from it by the marijuana. And I never forgot that, because I repeated that. And that was the most amazing experience that I'd ever had with the medical marijuana. So I have singled out Dr. Sikora as the professional in offering medical marijuana, because I really do feel that she's got to be the best, because she's obviously extremely well schooled and helps a lot of people, and she helped me tremendously. And I love. I used to, as a casting director, I used to work with a lot of comedians, as well as dramatic actors and actresses. And Dr. Sikora has a wonderful sense of humor. And that's very important to me, that someone be able to laugh when it's appropriate. And I think that you can't go wrong if you're looking for medical marijuana and any number of other things that she offers and is well schooled and trained in. I would say there's really no one better than Dr. Sikora to help you.